Hello and welcome to JW Solar USA. Today I'm going to show you how to install a me-rtr 50 right here to a MMP 250 panel right here at the JW Solar USA. If you look at it, there's the opening right here, and we're going to go about it and take it apart. Remove the screws right here and place the meter. Live here at JW Solar USA. Subscribe, like, and share. Live here, I'm gonna choose my wrench. This is gonna be number 9. See right there, and that's what we're gonna utilize to take this bad boy out from the MMP panel. Stay tuned. All right, all done. You got all the 4 nuts out, and we're gonna pop this. See that just dropped? Take this, don't throw it away, save it. Doesn't mean if you don't have a use for it right now, because you utilize this hole right here, you're not gonna use it in the near future. You're gonna use it someday, somehow. All right, always keep things. Stay tuned. Well, since we already have this thing mounted before on the panel like this, so we're gonna take this one apart and use only the panel itself as we go about it here. Hope it makes sense. So we inherit another 4 Phillips screws. Here it is. This is just the box to mount on the wall. Still save that one as well. So what we're gonna do here, flip this guy over, see how it is. So flip it over this time and drop that in right there. See that? We just dropped it in, out, open, and we drop this one in, and that's how it fits right on the panel. Okay, all right, just a simple thing. So I'm not gonna insert the these guys right here to the me-rtr 50. Okay, there we go. Drop this one. It looks nicer. That's how it looks like. And installing it, so I'm gonna use the nuts behind it and just tighten up. All right, we're gonna start tightening up the bolts. I'm gonna use this socket right here, all in the back, and use my tool here. So we get this one down, other one down, and this one here. So down, 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 and down. So we got it all up, guys. Look at that. It's already in place. Look at this. Well, I have to get these ones to make sure it's okay. Well, this is how we install me-rtr remote display Magnum me-rtr 50 on a MMP 50-30D panel. So this is what it is, and this guy is gonna go right there, and that completes our installation right here at the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching, guys. It's another video for you guys. I hope it helps, and this is how I did mine. I don't know how you've done yours. Bye for now. So